DS Diving Service here. This is Dane. I'm at the vessel Time Off. Nick cleaned it this afternoon. It is July 8th. We're going to quality control it. We're going to take a quick look. I'm going to go around the waterline first because I know the paint is just really dead and expired right there. I want to see how good it will clean up. Being that there's no paint there, I don't expect it to stay clean looking any longer than 4 days, just because, from what I recall, it is completely void of paint. I have not dove for a while, but let's go. So far, we're off to a beautiful start. I'm happy with how she looks. I don't know if this area up here is scrubbed as good as it should, but we'll see. Again, please look at this area above the water right here. There's absolutely zero bottom paint there, and there was hair coming off of it. It's not really scrubbing off very well. Just appears to be the areas where there's absolutely no paint. But there's only so much we can do about that. There's no hair hanging off. There will be hair hanging off of it in a week though. Let's look underneath. Okay, happy so far. Let's take a look on the other side. We will need to bring some hole spray, but she really needs bottom paint, specifically on the sides. The bottom, not so bad, but no hair. Yes, there's green stuff, but I'm scrubbing my butt off. It's not coming, because that's the gel coat. It certainly does pass quality control. I'll try and get out in maybe 1 week from now, just to show you or see for myself how much growth has come back here in 1 week's time. Or maybe it'll be 2 weeks, but I can assure you this side will almost certainly have a lot of hair hanging off of her by the time we get back. try and bring some hole spray to try and lighten that up as well. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.